everybody, let's talk about how to use Bybit Aurora AI trading feature. So to use this feature, open your Bybit app. Now once you open it, tap on the More tab at the right side of your screen and then select Trading Bot under the Trade options. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Backtest Recommendations or Aurora AI Zone. Then choose the type of automated strategy you want the AI to run. One is Spot Grid, which automates buying low and selling high in sideways markets. The other is Future Grid, which multiplies earnings using leverage for long or short market position. The other is features Martingale, which automatically doubles down positions to offset temporary losses in volatile markets. Now choose the AI parameter, swipe through the preset AI categories based on recent performance data like high yield, stable, high frequency. Now tap Use or copy next to your preferred strategy card and enter your preferred investment amount, confirm the order details and tap Create Bot to go live. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.